Hey, what's up? So, I've been working on this film. I don't know if I'm able to say the name, but it's an interesting movie. But anyway, we just recently wrapped the movie and we had to do like a pickup shot. So, I got my hands on this new product from Zacuto called the microBOOM. And I was like, well, hey, let me bring it into set today and just see how it works in a real life situation. So this is me using it. And basically what the microBOOM is it's a boom pole, but it's like a miniature version. And it connects to your camera using NATO rail adapter or connection. So the microBOOM is about 3 feet long, I think. I haven't actually measured it. Let me see. So the microBOOM is about 3 feet long when fully extended, but you can collapse it down to about 16, 14 inches or something like that. Now it's best connected to a NATO rail, but I also have a cold shoe mount adapter that I connected it to as well, and then I used it for one of my other cameras. So in these shots here, I'm using it on my Blackmagic, and I'm working with this actor right here. This is my boy, aka Squeeze. We did another project. Y'all should check him out in that. I'll show you real quick.
Thank you. Come on now. What kind of man are you taking for?
A gentleman, clearly.
Please offer to pay half. Please, Lord. Please.
I hope he doesn't think I'm paying half.
Looks like I'm getting a text from my boss. You mind if I take this?
Oh, no problem.
Do y'all see this?
Anyway, he's one of the stars in this new movie that I'm working on. And this is how it works. So in this shot right here, camera, dead look, boom, extended, and doing pretty much the same thing that a regular boom would do. This is just a smaller version, micro. And normally on set, you would have a boom operator. But with this, you can just connect it to your camera and you don't need a boom operator. You can just operate this yourself, a one-man camera crew slash DP slash sound man, recordist, whatever, all of those technical terms, you get it in this one cool situation. And this is actually the boom right here. Now, once you connect the boom pole to your camera, you could either raise it or lower it to make sure it's not within the frame, right? So I would have it somewhere up here like this so that it's not in frame, basically. I thought the mic came with it, if I'm being honest, but the mic does not come with it. You need your own microphone. This one right here is an Audio Technica. I forget which brand this is. Is this the CM something? This is the Audio Technica Pro 24 CM. It's a small mic. It takes a battery, and I don't even remember why I originally bought this. I have a bunch of mics. But I did get this for some use, and I realized that because this boom pole is so small, it would probably do well on the end of this because it's very light. The pole is light, and I have another mic. I have a larger mic as well. This is the Newear CM15. This takes a AA battery. So I did intend to originally use this microphone for the microBOOM, but I decided I was going to use the smaller one just for a lighter footprint. Even though this one isn't, even though the Newear isn't that much heavier, well, it is a little bit heavier, I wanted to try. And now it's just a matter of sound quality. But anyway, Now, even though the microBOOM can be used in several situations, and I took it to set with me today to use for BTS and capturing other little scenes while there, just as a test really. Where I see the strength is for YouTubers, influencers, like this situation that I'm in right now, this exact setup where I have the camera in front of me, I have a light off to the side, and I'm sitting here talking into the camera. This is the perfect setup where I think the microBOOM would really, really stand out. So all of you YouTubers out there, you influencers that are creating content that has talking heads where you're just talking into the camera, this microBOOM would probably serve you very, very well. I'm about 3.5 feet maybe away from the camera, so this boom will extend long enough to capture my audio in the way that I need it to be captured. This piece of equipment, this accessory, I really, really like. And from what I know, it's not that expensive. It's like under $200, like 100 and some change, 150, 160 or something like that. This is awesome, and I will be using it. I'll probably set it up as the last shot in this video just so you can see and hear how it will work. So I definitely recommend this, but I really recommend it for YouTubers, content creators. One thing you should know though is depending on the type of microphone you use, you may need to get one of these small adapters, because the microphone end of the Zacuto microBOOM is a male. This is an 1/8 inch jack male. And then the piece that is closest to your camera is a female 1/8 inch jack. So now in order for me to make it work, because my microphone has a male coming out, which is supposed to go into my camera, and this has a male that's supposed to connect to my camera. And well, when you got two males, kind of doesn't work. Well, don't cancel me for saying that, but you know what I mean. You don't have the connection here. And then on this side, I'm going to run into another problem when trying to connect it to my camera. So what I did is I purchased one of these, and that connects this male to this male. This was only about $3-4. And then on this end, I have, where is it? So for the end of the microBOOM that you would connect your microphone to, I had to get one of these adapters to connect the two pieces of the wire, because the wire coming out of the microBOOM is a male and the wire coming out of my microphone is male. And this is an adapter that is a female to female. So you just connect the two male parts and it just creates one. And then on the other end that goes into the camera, I had to purchase one of these, which is kind of like your standard aux cable, and I plug that into the wire leading out of the microBOOM, and then I plug the other end into my camera, and it was perfect. The audio sounds fine. I'll do a shot with it later so you can see. So overall, my opinion, I like this. This is something that you should add to your pieces of equipment that you have. You never know when you might be able to use this. I think if you're doing documentaries, this could also work. This is great. Any place basically where you would use a shotgun mic, but this could get even closer, which means you can get even better audio. I wish I had a bunch of them, because I would just give them out to you guys like, yo, get this. And like I said, I really think it's going to work a lot for a lot of influencers and YouTubers. So Zacuto, you need to get YouTubers into this thing. I like it. And well, that's it for now. Make sure you check out The Ink, INC. It's a series that's on YouTube right now featuring my guy Squeeze. And look forward to this movie that we're filming that we just finished, coming soon, called Masterpiece. And that'll be probably in spring. It'll be released. It'll be on Peacock and Plex and Tubi and some of these other streaming platforms, Amazon Prime. So just check it out and know that I use the microBOOM to get some of that BTS later. So it's like, okay, my whole hand is out of it. The mic is a little bit, I don't know, I want to say, what's this, about 7-8 inches above me. So the mic is about 7 inches above me. And this is capturing audio, how it would sound if I used the microBOOM while I was doing my talking head video.